Hey everyone, Nikki from A Little Loopy here to show you how I work the leaf for my Sakura pumpkin beanies. It's really just a crocodile stitch, so it's pretty simple, but I want to show you how to work it from start to finish. So I have Lion Brand Woolies Thick and Quick in cilantro, which is like my favorite green yarn ever. And we're going to make a slip knot, leaving a little bit of a tail here, and then our 10mm hook. And we're going to chain 4. Now we will double crochet back into that first chain that we made. So we've got kind of almost like a V-stitch. Then we'll chain 1, and now we're going to work 5 double crochet around the double crochet that we just made. So that's going to look like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and they do get a little tight, but they will all fit. There's 5. Now I'm going to make a picot stitch, so I chain 2, but instead of going into the chain to complete the picot, I like to do the slip stitch into the side of the double crochet. I just think it looks a little cleaner. So that's what I did there. I did my slip stitch just into the side of that double crochet. And now we're going to do 5 double crochet down our chain 3 from our initial chain. So that's going to look like this. And I've got my initial tail under here, and I'm actually crocheting over it as well. So there's 3, 4, 5. So I've got 10 double crochet and a picot stitch. Now I'm going to single crochet. I'm going to slip stitch. I'm going to slip stitch right into the first double crochet and leave myself a nice long tail for sewing. And now what I'm going to do is flip it over, and I'm going to take my initial tail and I am going to use it to weave under this other side of double crochets here, and just sort of close this leaf up just a little bit so that there's not such a large gap in the middle. So I find that one time around is enough, and give it a little tuggy, and now you have a nice clean leaf. And then I'll just go back the other direction to secure it, and then give a little snip. And there we have our completed leaf for the Sakura Beanie.